Hi guys, good evening. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest analysis for this late Saturday evening, June 10 until Monday, June 12, Independence Day 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Nag College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, and Avenue Plaza Hotel. Let's start with our latest update on Typhoon Guchol with local name Chedeng. As you can see, the storm is now accelerating towards the north-northeast, starting to recurve after moving slowly during the past few days. And the peak intensity of 165 kph has been achieved this morning, and it's now weakening. It's just 160, and it's likely to weaken further as it accelerates towards the sea south of Japan, and it's likely to exit the Philippine area of responsibility by tomorrow evening or around midnight of Monday, June 12. So it depends on the speed of this system, and it's likely within the next 2 to 3 days it could become a subtropical cyclone. It's a hybrid between a frontal system and a tropical cyclone. Okay, and as the system goes towards the north-northeast, it has slightly intensified the southwest monsoon, but it's not yet quite strong. But nevertheless, it brought some heavy thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms across Luzon, particularly the western sections like Ilocos region, western sections of Central Luzon, Zambales, Bataan, Metro Manila, MiMaRoPa, as well as portions of Western Visayas, but it is not strong enough compared to the previous Typhoon Betty, which has flooded some areas of Western Visayas. But this storm is just a gentle enhancement of the southwest monsoon. Even here in Guchol region, we don't feel any strong winds from the southwest, just gentle winds of 10 to 20 kph without any thunderstorm activity as of today. But tomorrow, we don't know. But most likely, based on the forecast, there could be some thunderstorms ahead, okay, especially during the afternoon or evening. Just the usual day-to-day thunderstorms. And here's the zoom-in satellite animation from windy.com. This is the infrared satellite view. You can clearly see here the thick cloudiness of these thunderstorms generated by the weak southwest monsoon, and also affecting some portions of western Luzon. Not all, okay, but mostly in the afternoon or evening, these thunderstorms are bound to develop, okay. And if we take a look at the latest track that we issued this afternoon, it showed that the system continued to move towards the north-northeast to northeast without any change in the forecast models. It's now accelerating from 4 kph yesterday, and it's now moving at a pace of 15 kilometers per hour. And by tomorrow evening or early Monday, it's already outside of the Philippine area of responsibility. Okay, and further weakening is expected. Here's the all Asian agencies forecast tracks, including Pagasa, all curvature, and the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Monday. We expect more afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, or even early morning thunderstorms across the western coastal waters of Luzon, and including the western portions of Ilocos region, western sections of central and southern Luzon, including occidental Mindoro, northern Palawan, and the western sections of Panay and Negros. There could be some rain showers and thunderstorms. Then in the afternoon or evening, these thunderstorms are more frequent in the afternoon or evening, Here in the Guchol region, we could expect also some thunderstorms along the western sections of Guchol. And you can see here that areas like Naga and Iriga, there could be some thunderstorms, but just a short one. And so far in other areas of the country, nice weather will be expected across Mindanao, except for Zamboanga Peninsula, northern Mindanao area, where thunderstorms will be expected as well, including Caraga. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear if you're leaving down there, even if you're enjoying good weather. So far, that's the latest on the rainfall accumulation. Nothing serious, okay? Except for these localized thunderstorms, slightly enhanced by the departing Typhoon Guchol or Chedeng. So that's it. That's the latest for this weekend. I hope you'll have a good and enjoyable weekend ahead. It's a long weekend, by the way. I just want to greet you all a happy Philippine Independence this Monday, June 12th, ID 12. Okay, if in the United States it's called ID 4, here in the country it's called ID 12 since it's during the 12th of June. So see you again next week. Probably this Independence Day, we are going to give you another update. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Have a pleasant evening. Stay safe always. God bless. And thank you so much for watching our channel.